of law, what should the legal profession be doing as a whole, including service providers like us, be doing now to promote and cater for future generations of lawyers with different cultural backgrounds?
Yeah, well, I think from a law firm perspective, they need to both have the right talk, but also walk the talk in terms of showing that there is actually a pathway for progression for Asian Australian lawyers. So, as I said, we're definitely seeing more Asian Australians coming through law schools, more joining as graduates, and they need to see the actual opportunities there for them to continue on in the profession, because if they don't see those opportunities, then they're likely to go off and do other things. And so, to the extent firms want to retain talented Asian Australian lawyers, I think they need to change a bit there. I guess from the recruitment side, I'd actually like to see more emphasis and more value placed on living and working in Asia, because I think that's something that is lacking in Australia. So the rite of passage for young lawyers has tended to be, do a few years in a firm in Australia and then go and work in London or New York, which is great experience, but at the same time, it's not developing those long-term relationships and links to Asia that I think Australia needs to make the most out of what people are calling the Asian century. So, and I think the recruitment firms have an opportunity there to encourage people to take up those opportunities and do that. And I certainly found it beneficial for myself to have done that early on. But when I came back, Asia, I think Southeast Asia was growing, but China still people didn't really understand very much, and so it wasn't as valued then. I think now, hopefully, it's more valued within firms.